This concept seems to confuse a few people in class, so let's make sure we have this down. Spearman and Thurstone. Okay, the question, is intelligence one single ability, a small group of abilities, or a wide variety of abilities? Right? What comprises intelligence? This is still being debated to this day. Okay, Spearman's in purple. So Spearman uses factor analysis, and he basically comes to the conclusion there is one underlying capacity for intelligence, and he calls it G. All right, so if he's actually building the ingredients for intelligence, what intelligence is, he's going to say, yeah, there are these specific factors. He calls them S factors. He said, so we got S, numerous specific intelligences. He says, but they're all connected. They're not the same. They're all connected to general intelligence. Without this, you don't have this, or this, or this, or this. So for him, yeah, there are specific intelligences. He gets that some people are better at certain topics than others. But for him, intelligence is primarily defined by the G factor. Okay? So that underlies, that's the roots of all intelligences. Okay? So one capacity, one factor. Thurstone disagrees. He basically says, no, if I'm going to try to describe what intelligence is, I'm just going to look at the specific things. There is no underlying factor. These are not all connected to something else. These are actually specific. They're a small group of abilities. That's what intelligence is. It's a whole bunch of small group of abilities, and people can be high in this one and low in this one. That's what he basically believed. He called them the primary mental abilities. Okay? No G. They're both trying to describe what intelligence is. Okay, so don't get confused by that. Okay, intelligence does not always equal G. Intelligence equals G for Spearman. For Thurstone, it's basically primary mental abilities, these seven specific abilities.